All right, let me go over to my computer, pull up my computer system, and what we're gonna look for, we're working on a 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude. Okay, Jeep Cherokee Latitude. Now that's gonna be equipped with the 2.4 liter multi-air engine. All right, so let's get all that pulled up, and what that's gonna take us to is we're gonna go on the service information. And we're going to go into the cooling system because what we're looking for is the thermostat. And that would be under the engine category. So there's thermostat right there. Now what we want is the removal process for a 2.4 liter. Okay, strolling right over here. The first 7 sections of this, they simply want you to drain the coolant, remove the belly pan, drain the coolant, and remove the battery and battery tray and the complete fuse box assembly. Okay, now let's get started. Let's get that black electrical connector wiring out the way. Now they want you to remove the radiator clamps that's on the heater hoses or the radiator hoses. So you might have the squeeze type clamps on yours. If you do, anyway, just remove it. Now it's time to get the vacuum pump out of the way. It's simply held on by 3 bolts, 13 millimeter bolts. Simply remove those out the way. Now release the lock on the shift cable. Basically, they want you to remove the complete shifter cable out of your way. They don't want nothing in your way. Now we're going to unlock and disconnect the coolant sensor. That's fairly easy. Now we're going to remove the C-clamp or the pin clamp. The clamp that's holding the coolant hose on the thermostat. We're going to get that out of the way. Remove the 2 bolts holding the bracket. That bracket cannot be removed just yet, so don't panic. All right, now disconnect the quick connect coupler and remove the heater core inlet hose off the bottom part of the thermostat. All right. Now disconnect the quick coupler and reposition the heater core return hose. Simply remove it out of your way. Remove the bolts and reposition the coolant return tube loop clamp. Okay, that should be fairly easily. Now, what we want to do is remove the retaining thermostat housing bolts. That's that little clamp that's holding the 8 millimeter bolt on. Now, man, we almost there, man. We right there at the thermostat. Simply grab you a couple of swivels. The necessary swivels you need, and simply remove the thermostat. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the proper way by the book Chrysler recommendation on how to remove a thermostat on a 2.4 multi-air engine. All right, I jumped straight into this video, so I'm gonna jump straight out. Thanks for watching, comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.
And we're gonna talk about one of the known